Hi, this is Randy Wimmer with Government Contracting Academy, and I'd like to invite you to my upcoming webinar where I'm going to be sharing a ton of industry insider tips, such as how do you find hidden small business set-aside opportunities? It's easy. When the government releases their forecast, the overwhelming majority of their forecasted opportunities are going to be listed as undetermined. That means they haven't listed them as either full and open or as a various small business set-aside type. Small businesses, they're strapped for time and resources. They only track the ones that are coming out as small business set-asides, not the undetermined ones. That's where you're going to get your best opportunities. You find some of these undetermined opportunities and you start shaping them. You contact the contracting officer, you demonstrate that a small business can do that, and next thing you know, it will be flipped to a small business set-aside opportunity. And guess what? You're the only one tracking it. You got the competitive advantage. And that's how you're going to win the majority of your future small business set-aside contracts, because they're listed as being undetermined. I hope to see you there, where I'm going to share a bunch of other tips.